If you're in school and you're thinking about going into a certain trade, I have a 15-year-old son. He goes to school in a Dallas, Texas independent school district where they have an HVAC program. I'm encouraging him to get involved into that trade.
I graduated high school back in 1994 and I worked full-time making minimum wage and a little bit more than that.
The 4-year was extremely unappealing just because of time, accumulating debt, and not gaining income.
You know, what have you thought about your future? You know, have you thought about making more money?
After about halfway through my second semester, I realized that there was not a lot of hands-on, it was more behind a computer.
I was all for it because I had dreams and goals that I wanted to achieve in life that I did not see myself getting to at the current occupation that I had.
It is an applied science and not everybody can do it. It's not a plug-and-play technology.
This industry will keep you busy and open doors for your future if you just apply yourself.
I get to be up on the most current technology that's going on with HVAC. I get to work with wonderful technicians and installers.
It's a unique field. It allows you to get hands-on experience.
And I know that from now until the day that I retire, there will be more things to learn.
I started right out of high school. I was going to NWTC for an associate's degree in HVAC.
I was able to start my own business. The opportunity was there for me for that.
If you enjoy working with your hands, this is definitely a career to pursue. But one of the biggest things for me is it's a job that I enjoy doing, and it's a job that I know that I'll always have a job.
Since I joined the trade 33 years ago, I've never been out of work. I've never been short of hours. It's an industry that's in demand of quality people.
I got into the HVAC industry in high school.
Communicate with your teachers and your guidance counselors and maybe possibly even your principal.
Be open-minded and just be ready for an adventure.